how to fix PayPal money pending. So I'm going to show you why this happens and how you can fix it. You're getting this money as pending because when somebody was sending you money, let's say that I want to send this person money here, they typed the amount. All right, so they typed the amount, then they clicked on send, then they confirmed their card, and here in the screen they chose actually for goods and services, and they didn't choose for friends and family. So if they choose for goods and services, then your money will be pending or on hold for 21 days up to 30 days. That is because when somebody purchases goods and services, they are entitled to compensation within a month by law. So they will be able to get a refund for that specific transaction. Now, if the person sent the money as friends and family or as goods, then what they can do is go to the transaction itself. So they will click on the transaction. And right here, I'm just gonna go into my home screen, and let's say that they clicked on the transaction. At the bottom, they should see a button that says confirm receipt here. If they click on confirm receipt, then that is going to release your funds and you will have your money sooner than 21 days. But that is basically why it happens and how you can fix it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.